Hello guys, welcome to SVRS Sai Krishna's analysis on cricket, your favorite analysis and your favorite cricketing podcast channel. It's Sai Krishna's Echo. Based on the T20 series, what we have seen in the last 2 days, it was a magnificent show by Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma leading from the front in order to dispatch England from all the departments. For me, honestly, I didn't understand what did England do with Moeen Ali, Liam Livingstone and even Ben Stokes at number 6. And they didn't go for any variation in the 5 ODIs, the T20s. They didn't even change the team. There we have variety like Reece Topley, you have Mark Parkinson, you have many pacers. Jake Ball could also be a great option. But they didn't go for any experiments, whereas India has gone through all the experiments. They gave chances regardless and trying various options in order to build a good side. So I guess England actually missed the technique there, but a brilliant show by Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma was sensational. That is just brilliant that you keep all the departments and also as a great spirit in order to go kickstart of IPL and mainly for the World Cup, T20 World Cup. Even KL, a lot of things to be learned. KL Rahul didn't have a great T20I series, and also Shikhar Dhawan also was benched. Even Navdeep Saini and Deepak Chahar were benched throughout the series, which was also a question. And Kuldeep Yadav was nowhere. And Manish Pandey, Shivam Dube, they also could have a chance, if honestly I feel. And moving on, today we are going to discuss about the ODI series preview, which is happening tomorrow, where no crowd is allowed in amid of COVID rules in Maharashtra. This match will be played at MCA Stadium, Gahunje in Pune. England and India are looking very confident. England need to put some impact in order to gain something from the series. They really fought very hard in the T20I series. So I guess England would be having the variety, but they will be missing the services of Jofra Archer. Jofra Archer, a brilliant all-rounder, a brilliant involver and a great player in any team, not only for England, for even Rajasthan Royals. So he will be leaving. He left for surgery. He had an elbow issue, so he took injections and he played the T20I series. We need to appreciate that point of that for his responsibility and commitment in order for his team. That was a great sign to watch. Now India, we have Krunal Pandya, then Prasidh Krishna and even Surya Kumar Yadav. They are being picked for the ODIs. That's amazing, as Krunal Pandya had a great Vijay Hazare trophy, and he would be one of the strong contenders for get his maiden call. And also Prasidh Krishna was brilliant from the last 2-3 years for Kolkata Knight Riders in the IPL, and also for Karnataka he has done a great service and great job. So Surya Kumar Yadav also might be having one of the hot picks, but guess India will be going with the same team, not giving any chances because it's only a short series of 3 games, all at the same venue at MCA Stadium, Pune. I hope that as Virat Kohli has announced that Rohit Sharma and Shikhar Dhawan will be opening, so KL Rahul have to play down. If KL Rahul is playing down, I will be having a choice with Rishabh Pant or KL Rahul. So you can't go with both of them. Also you can have the services of Shreyas Iyer and also Hardik Pandya, Krunal Pandya's lights when you're going with the all-round skills. Then wicket keeping, I discussed like KL Rahul or Rishabh Pant could be your option. Then going with the bowling, pace bowling, it is Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Then you will be having the services of Mohammad Siraj, Natarajan, Shardul Thakur and Shardul Thakur. Now some contenders of spin bowling and all-round services could be going with Washington Sundar and also Kuldeep Yadav and Yuvi Chahal. These are 3 spinners who will be picked for the squad. So the squad looks quite amazing. Since for the first game tomorrow we can go with Rohit, you can go with your dream team, fantasy team like can go for India. If the playing 11 would be like Rohit Sharma, Shikhar Dhawan, Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer, KL Rahul, Hardik Pandya, Krunal Pandya. Then you go with Shardul Thakur, Washington Sundar, Mohammad Siraj, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, and UV Chahal. This could be your paying 11 where I have dropped T Natarajan and also Prasidh Krishna and Suryakumar Yadav. I have dropped from the 11. Maybe they can be a strong contenders. This could be a great team. While as England, if you see, they may use opening from Jason Roy, could offer them the opening services with Johnny Bairstow in ODI format. Then one down could be Liam Livingstone. They could be using the services of Liam Livingstone or going back again with Josh Butler. Then Moeen Ali also a very strong contender for them. He could be playing at 3 or 4, and captain the skipper Morgan will be playing at 4. Also, you can go with Tom Curran, Sam Curran, both of them, and also the spin all-round services of Ben Stokes and Sam Curran, as I mentioned, would be giving you the all-round services. PS bowling, you can go with a change as no Jofra Archer. It is very important for Reece Topley to make his mark here. Mark Wood, Reece Topley and Mark Parkinson can make their. So I have left Sam Billings over here. So this can be the top 11 for tomorrow. So let's get again for another episode. And also I have latest IPL news that Kolkata Knight Riders players have been quarantined and assembled in Mumbai. Also the players of Punjab Kings had left for the quarantine, as it is only less than a 3 week for the IPL. So we'll be giving you the good news from the IPL center and all the sports news. And also it was a great thing to see that women's cricket also was encouraged in the last week. No matter we didn't perform, we didn't go on the winning side, but we were brilliant. The effort made by Indian women was awesome, so all the fans liked it. And also World Safety Series, India beat Sri Lanka legends. It was a great epic nostalgia, as we call the golden times, where Sachin Tendulkar, UV, Virender Sehwag, Irfan, Baroda brothers, Irfan and Yusuf services, and all the players involved were just brilliant. And even Sri Lanka, even South Africa, even England, also South Africa, India, England, Bangladesh were also coming in this hard pandemic times in order to show their passion towards the game, and also a good awareness program to this road safety series. At the end, Sachin Tendulkar has won yesterday, lifted the trophy as a skipper. It was a great news. Then that's it for today. Let us again go for another thing. And I predict tomorrow India will win. India will have a great time. And also England will give the best out of them tomorrow. Thank you very much. This is your favorite analyst, cricket speaker, everything. Have a good day. Have a great week. Thank you very much.